Okay, time to go to the tryst for my job interview. I can't believe the tryst is 2.2 miles away. Now that I slept and now that I'm refreshed, I can start my day by going to the tryst and working. Because they actually have free stuff at the tryst. It doesn't work for us. Because I'm just new to this town. Oh, there's the dealership. No, that's not the dealership. Wait, that looks like Lamusa Auto. They told me on the show Cobra Kai just the second season just released 2 months ago. So, let me check my maps. I don't know why I'm doing it in the middle of the road though. How loud is my horn? I don't know if I'm really going. I think I'm going above the speed limit. I'm sure it's like 50 here, but I'm going on speed like 80. I'm going 80. Nope, no, 100. Watch out! Oh no, I just killed someone. Oh no. I just hurt someone. I'm sorry. I didn't see you there. And the cops are after me. I'm sorry I didn't see you there. So yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't really see you there, man. But why were you in the middle of the road on your phone? Oh, it's okay. I just gave her $5,000 to pay for her broken leg. Where's my stop again? My brain's so... Oh my god. But let's go down here, make a right, and then go. I don't want that to happen again. Where I was killing myself by falling asleep while driving. It's not in Lakeville, is it? And I'm going the totally wrong way. I suck at driving. God, I hate this car. It keeps scaring me, making me hot down. I have to go up here. That's not a road. Where am I supposed to? Oh my god, I hate this stupid goddamn car. This car just likes to throw me out of it. That's why after I'm done working at the tryst, I'm buying a new car. This is it, right? Yep. Where do I go again? I keep forgetting. I'm 47 years old. I'm almost 50. But I guess my car didn't come with music. Where am I? My car didn't really come with music, so that sucks. I want to listen to Ice Rise and NWA. Where am I supposed to go again? Perfect, I'm almost there. Perfect, I'm almost here. Oh, there I am at the tryst. No. Hey, my car. It keeps like, hey, okay, I hate you, car. It's not even cool. I got the worst car in the world. Let me check my Waze. Let me check Waze again for the 15th trip. Not today, car. No. And I actually just realized last night that I walked the road that I wasn't at the right area. It's actually this. This is my house, actually. Nope. So So this is actually my house. Because I was so tired last night, I picked a random hotel. Where am I supposed to go again? Oh, perfect. The twist is right over there. Up. I can take a free turn. And here's the twist. You should name it the twist. I get my favorite blue raspberry ice pop. Why the heck did my car go backwards when I was... Why did my car go forward when I was going back? Oh my god, I can finally get my ice cream, my popsicle. Oh, I forgot I put my shirt on. No, but... Okay. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep. 7 hours later. Oh, it's finally time to go home. Okay, this is the dealership I'm going to go to, and it's time to go home. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, I got here. Okay. Where's my car, mate? I'm just gonna get over here. I'm sorry the twist for your missy bushes, but I'm pretty sure this is the right way. I love practicing my British accent. Good. They're 87. What's the directions again? Okay, I go down there and then make a turn. Oh my god, I forgot. I have bad allergies when I'm driving. Oh, yeah, up there. Hold up. Yeah, I got an idea. Oh no, I just sold my car. I better time travel back. Better time travel back to the dealership because I can go in time. There. What car should I get? What car should I get? That's ugly. What the most expensive car? This one looks good, but the color is terrible. I hate that color. Perfect. $40,000. Okay, got a new car because that white car was terrible. Thank you.